Laser rust cleaning videos are completely breaking the algorithm right now, generating millions of views because they're incredibly satisfying to watch. Today, I'm giving you the exact copy-paste master prompt to automate this entire restoration loop completely for free using ChatGPT and Google Flow. Instead of wasting time hunting through hidden menus or basic third-party apps, we're dropping a specialized Creative Director prompt straight into standard ChatGPT. It instantly maps out 10 high-retention restoration concepts with precise dual-frame variables. Just reply with your favorite object. Step 2. Let's build the visual asset layer. Copy your first corroded image prompt from your script and jump over to Google Flow. Toggle the interface to image mode, paste the text description into the prompt box, and hit generate. Choose the variation with the sharpest macro metal details. To maintain perfect continuity without your metal objects shifting randomly between frames, select your generated image, hit the 3 dots, and select Animate to anchor your textures. Now, copy the Frame 2 interaction prompt from ChatGPT, paste it in, and render out your laser cleaning sequence. Step 4. Let's animate the transition. Switch your video configuration model over to the premium Omniflash engine. Paste the dedicated camera motion instructions from your script to accurately compute the heavy fluid velocity, realistic flying sparks, and vaporized smoke effects. Finally, toss the completed clips into your editor, arrange the clean loop on your timeline, and overlay your natural voice track with a deep industrial ambient beat underneath. If you want the exact copy-paste master prompt to test this workflow yourself, everything is ready in the comments below.